Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is gold daily time frame chart. Gold has got this support, has made a new support which was previously also support here many times. Went up and from this level which was support previously and proved a resistance and sent gold down to this level, which was previously also a good support. From this support, it was going up as this was a huge upward move, so it needed some retracement. It faced this resistance, came down, and now made a good support, which was already a support. Now it is high probability that it will break this level and go up. I still think that it can expand, get this expansion now. If we think that this was the expansion up to this level, then was the retracement, and now it will expand. And as now, if we want to see this on the 4-hour time frame level, huge buying has been done on this low price to get the expansion to the higher levels, and it is expected that it will go up. Now let us move and watch clearly from the 4-hour time frame where we have the ability, the expectancy to buy this. On the 4-hour time frame, here it was a support, and this support really worked very well, and from this support gold is going up. Here it is the for our resistance. Actually this is the resistance, not this. This is the actual, it breakout, it was the breakout to the upward. Now this resistance is not as strong as these supports are. So now this resistance has got good compensation from buying at the support. So in the next 4 hours, yeah, even today, I think this level is expected to be broken. These 4-hour consolidation now is expected to be broken to the upward. Now let us move to the 1-hour time frame. Where do we have the good entry? On the 1-hour time frame, now let us move. Where do we have the best possible entry for buyers? Will it come again back to retest this 1-hour level? Now let us put it somewhere here. Now it will come back because the days changed. It could come to retest this 1-hour level once again. Though after breaking this, it has been retested here. We can't say anything about because it does so much retest and is coming from this resistance, so it will have to get some support from downward. Now where do we expect to get the support from? Stop loss be at this level, and this is the, I think, good entry. 1963 is the good entry, and at stop loss 1945 it will be too deep here, so I think the stop loss be 1951. Do we have another good stop loss? Either If we get the entry from this level, I don't know whether it will come down too deep. Can we use this as a stop loss? Now let us see. It looks like that entry is better here. Now let me show you. Actually 1963 B stop loss, and I think now it won't come down. Now here it has come to this level. If this is the entry, this is what is 1972. I think it is because they watched this upward move, and after coming back, this level of 15 minutes have been retested here and got support from here. So I think it is better. It is high time to buy right now 1972, and the stop loss be below 1963. So I think 1963 is stop loss. Now let us move to the daily time for 4 hour time frame rather. And now let me first of all remove other lines that now it will remove here, or remove this one also. Let it be there for tag profit. Now this is entry. Entry is at 1970. Now this is 1971. 1971. Either this entry or 1972. Right now we are at is coming down to, yes, I think this is a good entry. 1971 and the stop loss at 1963. Though it will be quite near stop loss, the market when once, but it is high time that it won't come down too deep to this level. I don't know anything can happen, but it is better to have the stop loss here. Now let us zoom in and now put the long position, long from this level, and stop loss here, stop loss at this level. And for take profit options, we have this first take profit option at 1970 at 1987, and other take profit options. Now let us move to the daily time frame for other take profit options. For other take profit options, now let us zoom in. Now this is entry, this is the stop loss. Now first take profit option here, and then the second take profit option somewhere here. Now let me put the horizontal line for other take profit options. Now here we have, now I need to adjust. Here we have the take profit option, and this must be in between here. But 2016, previously I've been thinking that 2009. Now let me adjust some time here. This is at 2004. This is 2016. And now let us move the 4 hour time frame for adjustments of more tech profit options. Zoom out here. Now these are the take profit options. Once again move to the lower time frames, whether this entry is good, or while recording this it is going down to some. I think this entry is good. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.